Organic degreaser car washes offer several benefits, especially when it comes to protecting the vehicle's surface and components. Non-caustic cleaning. Gentle on surfaces. Organic degreasers are non-caustic, meaning they clean without causing damage or corrosion to the vehicle's paint, metals, or plastic components. Safe for finishes. They help maintain the car's original paint and finish by removing dirt, grime, and oil without causing discoloration or dullness. Rust and corrosion prevention. Preserves metal components. By effectively removing contaminants without causing corrosion, organic degreasers help prevent rust on metal parts like the undercarriage, engine components, and other susceptible areas. Protects electrical components. These degreasers can be used to clean engine bays without harming sensitive electrical components, aiding in corrosion prevention. Color protection. Maintains vibrancy. Organic degreasers often don't contain harsh chemicals that can strip away the protective wax or coatings on the car's surface, preserving the paint's color and shine. Long-term benefits. By keeping the paint and clear coat intact, these degreasers contribute to maintaining the vehicle's appearance over time. Environmental and health considerations. Eco-friendly. Being made from natural ingredients, they are safer for the environment when washed away and don't contribute to harmful runoff into waterways. Reduced health risks. Users handling these degreasers are less exposed to toxic chemicals, minimizing health risks associated with traditional harsh cleaners. Versatility and effectiveness. Multi-surface cleaning. They can be used on various vehicle surfaces, including paint, glass, plastic, and metal, without causing damage or leaving residue. Effective degreasing. Organic degreasers often maintain a high level of degreasing power while being safer for surfaces and the environment. When used appropriately, organic degreaser car washes not only effectively clean vehicles but also contribute to preserving the vehicle's appearance, protecting against rust and corrosion, and promoting a safer and eco-friendly cleaning process.